You may have seen movies about Vietnam, but this is the real story, told only by those who were there.
We were brothers.
The camaraderie is so strong.
You know he's willing to die for you, and he knows I'm willing to die for him.
The situation John was in. He was a dead man. But you do what you have to do to save somebody.
We'll find the people in the footage.
That's me, right there.
And half a century later, reunite them.
John?
We saw images that are burned into your soul.
You know, I still have nightmares.
Even to this day, I'm stuck in that moment.
A decades-running war that changed the world forever. And the people who fought in it. It's thought that over 3 million were killed in the conflict.
Without you, I wouldn't be here today. Thank you for saving my life.